So them harass them through them want for you to shoot them come and harass my phone over her. You ever hear about Dana Jamaica? And me and Marcia Campbell, so on Facebook. So I hit down them come and harass my phone. And I call up my phone every minute for the whole day and harass me. Yeah. Me and the Marcia with them always when me done them up. Yeah. So I hit down. Whenever me go there, she go on with her foolishness and me clap back with her people them. None of them a call my phone. Yes, all day. None a man a call. Huh? Punk ass boy. No. Two my friend did and me a travel. And it was sudden. So me go on me throw me there on my page and me do something. So me go and me ask my supporters them for help me with it because the trip will cost all the money because it's sudden. And a high season now. So I think call me I come about, oh, Dana send me for call you, for give you money for your plane ticket. I try to like want insult. They can't insult me. There's something I want in front of him. Where I call now her? Huh? Not more than the girl we called a while ago. And two my friend raised her up. Then get him man for call ask about ticket. He get me. Who not sell water in here? You sell water in here? Me send me dear people. My phone start getting harassed. This is called Dutch boy I call me. Oh, you get pay for your ticket. Me say, I can buy myself flowers.